Hello guys, so today I would like to share to you about Houston Maritime Injury Lawyer. Have you been injured in a maritime accident off the coast of Houston, Texas? You may be entitled to a substantial monetary settlement or award. However, offshore accident claims can be complicated. Let the experienced Houston Maritime Injury Lawyers at Attorney Brian White Personal Injury Lawyers help you fight for the compensation you need. We are known for being relentless and doing whatever it takes to help maritime injury victims get the money they deserve. Let us put more than 45 years of collective experience to work for you. Houston, unlike most other major urban areas in Texas, is a coastal city, so the water plays a large role in Houston's economy and culture. The port of Houston is one of the busiest seaports in the world. Every day, hundreds, if not thousands, of commercial and personal watercraft use Galveston Bay, Trinity Bay, the East Bay, and the Gulf of Mexico to get to and from docks in Houston. Not all of these trips are uneventful. Accidents happen on and around the water all the time. These are known as maritime accidents, meaning of or having to do with the sea. At Attorney Brian White Personal Injury Lawyers, our maritime attorneys represent clients who have suffered injuries in maritime accidents that include personal watercraft accidents, cruise ship accidents, military accidents, barge accidents, and etc. It doesn't matter whether you are a worker who was injured while working on a dock or out on the high seas, or if you got hurt while enjoying some recreational time out on the water. Our personal injury lawyers in Houston are here to help. We will carefully investigate your case, determine all possible courses of legal action, and help you fight to get the money you deserve. Your first consultation is free, so contact our Houston law firm and call today to learn more. Accidents don't just happen on dry land, they also happen on docks, in shipyards, and out at sea. When they do, injury claims can be challenging. Does your case fall under state or federal jurisdiction? Which United States maritime law governs your case? If you were working, are you entitled to maintenance and cure, the maritime equivalent of workers' compensations? These are all important questions. In order to get the answer you need, it's important to enlist the help of a qualified and experienced Houston maritime injury lawyer. At Attorney Brian White Personal Injury Lawyer, our experienced lawyers understand how physically and emotionally devastating maritime injuries can be. We also know how much of an impact money can make in the weeks, months, and years that follow. You can trust that we will draw on our considerable experience and vast financial resources to help you in your time of need. When you hire us to handle your maritime injury case, you can expect us to investigate. We can be your best advocate unless we know what caused your accident, why you got hurt, and who is responsible. So we will roll up our sleeves and scrutinize your maritime accident from every possible angle. We will gather evidence, interview witnesses, subpoena documents, and consult with experts. We will do whatever it takes to answer these fundamental questions so that we can build the strongest possible claim on your behalf. Research. Maritime law is complex. Depending on the circumstances of your case, one or maritime laws might apply to your case. This includes the Jones Act, Longshore Act, other Continental Shelf Lands Act, OCSLA, Death on the High Seas Act, Longshoremen and Harbor Workers, and the last one is Limitation of Liability Act. There are also more general maritime laws that might be applicable. Our team will carefully review the specifics of your case to determine which laws apply and how those laws can be used to help you recover the compensation to which you're entitled. Our detailed approach can be help to ensure that you are fully compensated for all of your maritime injuries. Bring in experts. Maritime accidents are unlike those that happen on land. It's a whole different world out there. In order to make sure that we really understand your case, we will bring in specialists, professionals, and experts to help us paint a more detailed picture of what happened. This might include former military personnel, engineers, forensic specialists, mechanical experts, doctors, and marine safety experts. The more we understand the nuts and bolts of your case, the better prepared we will be able to fight for you, negotiate, and, if necessary, litigate. We will work tirelessly to negotiate a fair settlement offer on your behalf. We will stand toe-to-toe with multinational corporations, insurance companies, employers, and at-fault parties. We will invest whatever time, money, and resources are necessary to do so. However, we will never take the threat of a trial off the table. At Attorney Brian White Personal Injury Lawyers, our legal team is well known for their successes in the courtroom. If negligent or responsible parties don't cooperate, we won't hesitate to bring your case to a jury so that you have the opportunity to get the money you deserve. Accidents on docks, in shipyards, and on vessels are uncommon in and around Houston. Many of these accidents are the result of defective machinery and equipment, not following industry rules and regulations, not following company safety protocols, and etc. There is a common thread here: negligence. Accidents for the most part should be avoidable. However, they happen when someone, whether it's a worker or employee, doesn't exercise the degree of care that's necessary to stay safe. When you get hurt due to someone else's negligence or even your own, in some cases you might be entitled to compensation. Our team represents all injured maritime workers, including longshore and harbor workers. Call us to find out how we can help you fight to recover damages for your offshore injuries and pain and suffering. Accidents on board a ship, vessel, or dock can be particularly frightening. The fact that you are near or surrounded by water can raise the stakes. No matter what type of accident you were in or what type of injury you have sustained, Attorney Brain White Personal Injury Lawyers is here to help. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.